This is called a calm buddy. Look at his little face. Hi. So he's actually made in Australia, I believe, and is made of recycled plastics that they find in the ocean. So they are all unique. You don't get one that is the same as another. So you have a worry stone kind of shell, but when we open it up, it's another pain stim. So it has a little bit of a worry stone there if you want to rub on that. That does nothing for me. This, however, that is just a little edge of pain that helps to focus my nervous system and many of my clients. He is rather like Marmite. So some clients, he is the first thing that they reach for. For other clients, he's a, I don't get it, no thank you. Then we have this little spinner. He is metal and he spins. I don't know if you can hear that. He just whirs. It's lovely. And he goes on. It's pretty much for as long as you need. And the gentle weight in your hand as he's spinning. Some clients use it to just calm their breathing, to focus on. Some clients just use it to focus on when they're talking about difficult things. He's very nice. You may tell that this is a client favourite. It was originally a football. Now, because I clean all of my resources regularly, well, the pattern is rubbed off. But he's a spinner. He goes round and round. Fabulous noise.